interesting colors. I don't know if they get like that neon. Like I've seen the pink. I don't think I've seen like the neon green like that. The ones I've seen have been like kind of a blue-green. But I am certainly not an expert. Oh, hold on. Is that? It's a wolf. Hold on. Whoa, whoa. Oh, shit! It's glowing! Why is it glowing? Why is it glowing, guys? It's glowing! So welcome back to the Long Dark. Let me put this away real quick while I talk so I don't run out of lantern fuel. So, last week I mentioned to you guys that I was going to be adopting a dog. Well, that didn't happen because we got 2 dogs. We actually got 2 puppies. I'll put some pictures of them on the screen here. Mine is Athena. She is a pointer something mix, and the other one is my mom's dog, who she fell in love with at the shelter, so obviously we had to get 2. That's Aries. He's a Malinois Shepherd mix, is what we're thinking at the moment. But they are absolutely very sweet, and they are the reason I have not been able to record Jack for the last week and a half, almost 2 weeks, because they are a bit of a mess. And recording with 2 puppies is an even bigger mess. Just trying to get them, like right now they are both sleeping, so I may have a solid 2 hours to do some recording. Hopefully we won't have any barking or running around because they like to wrestle, but we'll see. So last time we actually died. I walked on that electrical cord right there. So I went back and I collected, I'm pretty sure I collected all the items that I had gotten last time. It's very dark. Let's, so I collected all the items and I'm pretty sure I am where we need to be now. I saw this dead body, so I figured this is probably where we need to be. I'm not sure where we go from here, but I think this is where we need to be. Empty. I'm very excited to see what's going on. Lantern fuel, perfect. What's going on here? I know some of you guys are also very eager to know what's going on with the glow-in-the-dark wolves.
Now we're cooking with gas.
Let's go ahead and refill this. Where's my little light? You. No. Survival? Where is it? Is it here? It should be here, but it's not. Here. Refuel. Okay. There we go, that's much better. It was starting to flicker. Alright, anything else in here that I can do? Oh, a flare. That might be useful. Is that... Oh, I can check this storm lantern. Well, I just filled this up, so if it's a better quality, tough toenails. Water? There is some water. How much water do we have? We actually have quite a bit of water, so I'm gonna leave it for now. Maybe there will be more stuff.
I could use this.
Take that, take that. Take that. I can scrap a lot of this stuff later. Tomato soup. I know I'm carrying a lot of stuff. I'm sorry. I'm really bad at self-control.
All this gear is slowing me down.
I know. We're gonna get something to eat and drink in a second. Let's see. Let's drink this. Get some of these calories out. I think we can go ahead and eat it. Those are some very heavy candy bars, but we'll not question it. Okay, let's see where we need to go next. Hopefully we won't die again. Is that? No, that's not something I can search. I thought it was a metal container or something. Lots of coal. Heavy hammer.
That'll come in handy.
I don't know what we're gonna need that for, but we should take it. Forge. Oh. Quality tools. So this is clearly something. Let's start it, maybe? Start fire. We don't have any tinder. Whoops. I dropped all of it. I know I saw some newspapers over here. So, let's grab that book too. I know I'm gonna be dropping a lot of this in the fire, don't worry. Start fire. Okay. We've got some tinder. Start with a book. 19 minutes. Alright, let's start. Whew. Add fuel. So we need to add reclaimed wood first. Let's take that. I don't think we can add coal. Yeah, 24 minutes. Okay. Well, we definitely have a lot of shit right now. Lights in the Sky achievement. I'm not sure what that is, but... we're gonna set this right here for now, because I don't think that's emitting any light. I'm gonna do some clothing stuff real quick, and then we'll get the forge going. Okay, so I didn't get to do a lot of clothing repairs, but it's daytime now, and the forge is hot enough to do something, but it doesn't look like we can actually craft anything, which is a shame. So I wasted a lot of coal, but I wasn't gonna carry that shit anyway. This hammer is very heavy. Holy shit. Okay, we're actually gonna drop this for right now. It's gonna be right in front of the forge, so I think it'll be fine. We can put this away. I'm gonna continue doing some clothing stuff, and then we're gonna go explore some more in the daylight where it's safe. Okay. So, I've gotten our clothing up. As you can see, we've got pretty good warmth bonus. Our sprint's still not great, but it's not bad. We are, however, very hungry and very thirsty, and I did use up a lot of our daytime hours. So we're gonna get through this pretty quick. I think I'm actually gonna cook those peaches. Can we cook? We can cook. So I'm gonna cook those peaches, because they are currently the heaviest thing that we have right now. So it would be good to get that going. It'll also give us a warming bonus. Drink some water. I did drop that hammer, so we're down to still a lot, but not terrible. Yeah, we're not doing bad. I'm gonna eat. There's a lot of calories. Nine minutes until ready. Do I have anything else? Oh, it only has one cooking slot. I guess that makes sense. I honestly kind of thought he put it in the furnace, which would have been bad. Oh, you know, since it's daylight now, I bet those wires have turned off because the electricity's off. So we may do a little bit more exploring in here before we figure out what the hell is going on. 4 minutes until ready. I may try and pick up some tinder. There's something in here, I feel like. No, wasn't this one. Wasn't this one. Okay, maybe I'm just overthinking things. Oh, newspaper. That's what I was just gonna pick up. Just in case we need to start a fire quickly. Even though I think we don't have a lot of wood right now. Pretty good. Let's get a snack. We're gonna eat this while it's still goodish. Hopefully we won't get any food poisoning. Okay, good. Okay. So let's check out the rest of this place. Some planks, tires. Is this a bathtub? Oh, I guess it's just a tub. Okay. No, not sprint, crouch. Okay. Alright. I have a sneaking suspicion we're gonna need that forge for something, but I do not know what it is yet. Alright, so I could have gotten over here at that. We don't have a lot of... Can I get out of here from here? I can. But we're gonna wait. I'm gonna go through some of this stuff first. Nothing over here. I don't think there's anything in the fridge. Orange soda. Oh, there's another soda. Not that we really need it, but... You know, I'd rather have stuff to drop than need stuff and not have it.
What have we here?
Grab those. Probably didn't need that tea since we've already got some. Jerky. Let's look at this real quick with the girl. Ah, I'm really bad about doing that. You have to hold it, and when it finishes, I like instinctually undo it. Get both of those.
Could end up being useful.
Let's get some of this real quick. I'm tempted to nap because we're kind of tired, but I think our sewing kit's almost depleted, so I'm not taking that. Okay. Nothing. Alright, I think it'll be okay if we can come back and sleep in here or in that other place. Oh! Coffee. I am actually gonna heat that up real quick. Give us some water, a little bit of calories, and also make us less tired. I have a sneaking suspicion. Oh, this is gonna run for a little bit. Did not mean to forge. I meant to cook. It's right there. Oh, it'll just take 8 minutes. Okay, great. Coffee's done. We're gonna cook that. Alright, we've got a warming up and a fatigue bonus. So we're going to get out of here. I'm gonna have the rifle out, just in case. Oh, apparently you have to have a key for that. So we'll go out the other door. I probably should not do that since we've got weak ankles. We'll go out this way. Thought we could have used the crowbar for that. Okay. You can rest or pass time in a vehicle with or without a bedroll. Good to know. I did not actually know that. Okay. It's daytime. So this is clearly a very safe location now in the daytime. Right? Right? I'm not seeing any other buildings. Okay. Oh, there's a wolf. I think it's walked onto me. Oh no, it's walking in the other direction. Okay. I'm gonna check the map real quick. Okay, we're heading in the right direction. I'm not sure. Hopefully that lake is solid. It looks like there's a deer. Maybe the wolf is hunting the deer. Is that another wolf right there? It may have just been a rock. Yeah, it was just a bit of rock. I'm insane. Okay, the wolf is over there. We're gonna try and avoid it the best that we can. It's probably just going after the deer. There's already a dead deer up there. Looks like there's a... Oh, I think the crows are going after the deer. Like some of these. Gosh, I'm too click happy. I want some things, but not the heads. Oh, okay, deer are running from me, not a wolf, so I'll take that. No, that doesn't fit. I want to go check out that hunting stand. It looks like there's a bridge over there too that I did not see. We may have to make our way over there to get to where we need to be. Just want to go check out the stand real quick. Who knows, that may actually, the bridge may actually be on a path that we're already on, which I would be fine with, because I don't really want to backtrack. But I also don't want to get stuck wandering around on a linear, not linear path. And there's a snare, but I'm not going to take that. Okay. Looks like I can go... Oh, yeah, that's definitely going to be... I'm going to have to go around. I can't tell if I can squeeze through here or if I'm going to have to go over the bridge, but I think going to the bridge is going to be the fastest way, I should say. I think I can maneuver my way down here. I don't see the wolf. I see some rabbits. Hopefully this will be a pretty quick, just kind of duck over this. And just adjust my headphones for a second, giving me kind of a headache. Just had it in a weird spot. Ooh, there's a gate. Okay, let's see what Mackenzie's gonna have to say about this gate. Hopefully there's not a key in that shed that I was just at, because I hate backtracking this much. It might be unlocked, and we're probably gonna see the bear. Like, $10. If it's unlocked, we're gonna have to slam it in front of the bear again. Like, I'd bet money on it. I'm gonna close it, you know, just in case. I know the bear is gonna show up again. I just do. I feel like I'm hearing something. I'm betting there's gonna be a person in this lodge. They're gonna want us to go on some fetch quest to get the spear. That's my guess right now. Okay. This is a very steep slope. I wonder if there's a road that used to be here. Like, obviously, like, filled with snow at the moment, so there may have been a road, but, like, this is quite a bit to walk. Thankfully, we don't have a fracture risk at the moment, knock on wood. So there's a power line. Or there was a power... Oh, that's a lamp? Like a street lamp, maybe? Maybe that's kind of what it looks like. Which, I mean, you'd have to have a power line for that. There's a wolf. I can see it. I'm going the right way I can. I want to make sure we didn't need to veer off anywhere. There, I can hear another one. Yeah, so this definitely was a road at some point. Like, it's lined with lights. It is definitely a road. I'm gonna have to go through here, but I'm really hoping the wolf doesn't Just double back and catch me because I cannot run. I don't want to waste my bullets. Don't you fucking dare. I swear to God. Okay, I think it's gonna leave us alone. We got a sign up here. What does it say? Mystery Lake Lodge. Oh, I'm hearing a bark. I heard a bark. I heard it. There's another wolf. I heard something. I heard a bark. I did. I'm hearing a growl. Oh, it's probably from over there. It probably hunted that rabbit, and that's the noise I'm hearing. I want to check that truck just in case it's locked and the key is in the truck. But I also don't want to fuck around with all of these fucking wolves. Jesus Christ. I feel a little better with the gun. Especially since...
This must have been really nice once upon a time.
Like, I feel a little better having the gun. It is definitely worth, like, the 40 pounds it feels like. Okay. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, where is it? I don't actually know where it's at. But I was oh, there it goes. I was hoping I could just shoot and scare it off. Come on, come on, come on, fight, fight. Yes, okay, we're gonna get the fuck inside. We're gonna get the fuck inside because we're bleeding out and I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to deal with it outside at least. I could hear it. I couldn't tell where it was coming from. It was like stuck on the fence. Alright, there's definitely gonna be someone in here. I bet it's gonna be Methuselah.